Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Derby Specialist. So I'm looking at a leaf spring hanger that's upside down. And what I want to show you is, this is your traditional, this is a V-bracket. So if you ever want to know like, hey, what's he talking about a V-brace, right? This is your leaf spring hanger. And so when you're looking at your suspension and you have a spring, the spring is actually, this is welded, the bottom of this is welded onto the frame. And this is where the spring would attach to on this nut and bolt. And then this V-brace gets welded in place and gets, installed to the bottom of the I-beam. And then it also gets welded on either side of it. So flipping this back over to give the example, again, we're looking at this upside down, right? So this is being looked at upside down, right? So when you have a leaf spring that's connected to this, which would be arched, the opposite direction, these bolts that are here, and let me undo these quickly here to show you. These bolts have splines on them. I don't know if you can see that spline or not. Those are pressed into that, they're hammered in, and then you have a bushing that's in here. So when this bushing wears out, that goes through the spring itself, and now the spring itself is wearing, you take a risk of it opening up the eye of the spring, as well as shearing off the bolt, because now as you're traveling, you have all this vibration and movement. Well, it also will take these bolts and it will cause them to jump around and can shear those off as well. So when we're recommending to you to have, your bushings replaced or your shackle bolts replaced, it's to prevent damage from happening to this hanger. So if these holes get wallered out, then we'd have to completely cut that hanger off the coach and start all over from scratch. So anyways, I'll do another video out on a unit out on the lot, but I just wanted to give you an example of stuff that we have in here on our counter of all the different items to share with you, to educate you, to explain what's going on and things that you can't see that get worn or get damaged, and things that commonly break like thin shackle links, and then different accessories that we provide and do. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, Derby Specialist at California Specialist.